Today, we'll be making some fluffy protein pancakes. We'll be starting with 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, we're adding 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Next, you can add the protein powder of your choice. I'm using here a protein powder from Costco. I can add the link of the protein powder below. Add 1.5 scoops of this protein powder. Mix all the dry ingredients together well. And just for a little bit of flavor, add a little dash of cinnamon. For our wet ingredients, add 3.5 tablespoons of melted butter. Next, add 1.5 cups of milk. Crack in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix the batter until smooth. After lightly greasing your skillet, turn your stove on to medium-low heat. Scoop in your batter and cook until the pancake is brown on both sides.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
If you like chocolate chips in your pancakes, feel free to add them now.
It's not for me to say
All done. Enjoy.
you love. It's not for me to say you love.
Serve these fluffy protein pancakes hot with any topping of your choice. Today, I'll be drizzling some maple syrup over mine. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you try out the recipe and let me know what you think.